What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a new knife that I found in my long internet searches that I do from time to time. Well, pretty much every couple weeks or so I get on the internet and I search, and I'm always looking for something new and different in the Tanto knife range. And sometimes I get lucky, sometimes it's just a endless search of nothing. But this time I found a company called DFACKTO, and I thought it was really interesting. I think I've seen the company before, but I didn't realize that they had a Tanto knife. So as I looked at it, it said it was a paring knife, 5.5 inches of a paring knife. Now, typically this would be considered a paring knife. So I don't know what's changed, but this is the box that this paring knife came in, which is quite a big box for a paring knife. Not too sure, but I think we're getting something a little bit different than as advertised. They were very vague on the actual dimensions. As you can see on the box, it does say 5.5 inch. So let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so you can see it's from the Interceptor series, 5.5 inch with a sheath. Well, okay, rugged, dependable knives. These are basically knives that are basically made for your kitchen campsite type thing, and it has G10 handles. So let's open it up and see what we got going on here. Okay. So there we go. All right. Pretty cool. So it's 5 CR15 MOV high carbon stainless steel. Okay, cool. Okay, that's an interesting sheath. So, okay, as we can see, a little bit different than your typical type chef paring knife for sure, but okay, I'm down with it so far. So let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, very interesting, nice Americanized Tanto. Got a nice edge on it. Oh, yeah, that handle feels really good in the hand. Yeah. This is an acid wash, an acid and tumbled blade. Let's see, you can kind of see the sparkling from the tumble, and it's acid wash. Not too sure how I feel about that. I know particularly a lot of companies come out with, satin blades because a lot of people want to have the sanitary aspects of having to clean it and have a good satin blade. I'm not sure about acid wash, but I know a lot of people just DLC or painted blades, they don't want anything to do with it, and I'm kind of with them on that. I like to see a nice satin blade where I can really get clean and see clean and not worry about the pores of the steel holding any germs or bacteria. But with that being said, yeah, it's very solid feeling. Feels great in the hand. That jimping right there is very nice, pretty aggressive. But man, I'll tell you, it feels good in the hand. I mean, you don't feel like you're going to slip off of that thing at all. I mean, kitchen knife, I don't know, man. I'm thinking that could be a everyday carry knife right there, especially if it's just a little bit shorter. Yeah, that would be. It's got a lanyard too. Interesting, but I do like the orange G10, especially if you're in a campsite and you drop it, you're definitely going to see it. Especially with the painted blade, it'll match the ground, and at least the orange will stick out. But yeah, that feels good. That feels really good in the hand, and yeah, that would be an interesting knife for sure. So yeah, I mean, that feels really good in the hand. Really good in the hand. Very cool. It's really not much of a sheath. It's just kind of a plastic case, but it does hold it pretty good. It doesn't just fly off or anything. So if you secure it into your backpack or something, you can feel pretty good about it. I don't know. I think I might need to get I might have to get a leather sheath for this. This might actually be, it's a little on the long side for EDC for me personally, but some of you guys might like it. And it's definitely for the backwoods and campsite. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Again, stonewash, the acid stonewash blade I'm a little iffy on, but every once in a while, sure, why not? So there you guys go. That is the DFACKTO Tanto Knife from the Interceptor series. We'll come back later on after we get to use it and do a little bit of a review on it down the road, guys. So that's it for today. Have a great day.